Hey, good morning everybody, and guess what? It's time for our knit crate box. Yep, just showed up in the mail, but just like before, does not come in the pretty box. Little white package. Same cool stuff inside. Same cool stuff inside. Just no pretty box. I don't know what's going on. I've seen other people get theirs and they're coming in the pretty box. I love the pretty box. Oh well, let's see what we got. Let's open this up and see what we got. Okay. So exciting, so exciting. Okay. So, here's the thing. Whoops, goes flying. We're gonna try this outside today because it's a beautiful day and the sun is shining, but it's a little bit noisier than inside, although sometimes it's noisy inside too. So we're just giving this a try, see how it goes. All right, so this one is called Sunscape. And here comes the sun in all her golden glory, lighting up clouds in shades of rich golden yellow and red, fading away to soft mauve and retreating with the fading turquoise evening. Isn't that beautiful? So excited, so excited. Those are the colors it says that we could have. Pattern downloads. Okay, let's see if we can get these patterns to download. It says to go to your QR code on your phone. And I think I just need the camera. Okay, show options. Open in browser. I think it's gonna work. I think it's gonna work. It worked. It worked. Oh wow, look at their picture that they've got on there. Isn't that glorious? Okay, here we go. Download. Use this coupon. Didn't work. Let's go back. Let's just... Okay, we're just gonna look at the pretty pictures on here because it doesn't want to download. And that's all on my camera, nothing else. Okay, so these are the pretty yarns that we have. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so when you order from Knitcrate, you have the option of getting 1 skein of yarn, which is a new one, 2 skeins of yarn, which is the regular one, or 4 skeins of yarn, which they call fluff. And I fluff. So I get 4 of whatever this beautiful yarn is. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Let's see if I can pull them all out in one fell swoop. Oh, you guys, this feels so nice. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. And that's the exact color it is. The exact color. It is so beautiful. It's so pretty. It is so soft. Oh, this, it feels like silk. Let's see what it is. Let's see what we got here. It's the Vitalina. They use this a lot for stuff, Knitcrate. And most of their yarns, as far as I know, all their yarns are made for Knitcrate. Oh, so soft. Made in Peru, exclusively for Knitcrate. 50%, it's called Evening Light. It's so pretty. 50% superwash merino wool, 50% tensile, fingering weight, 400 yards, 100 grams. Hand wash gently, lay flat to dry. So even though it's superwash merino, the tensile makes it so you have to hand wash it still. This is gorgeous. Yeah, look how pretty that's gonna be. Oh, it's a gorgeous wrap or a cowl. Oh, it's so pretty. It even smells good. Okay, let's see what they want us to make with it. Let's see. Okay, on the knit, it's called the Sunset Cowlette. That is gorgeous. I don't know if I'd want a big long cowl in the front though. I don't know. That is so pretty. But that's knit. Oh, and it's by the Knitter. I can't say her name. Safi Tally, the Drunk Knitter. I really like her stuff. I've seen her stuff before. For crochet, it is Shifting Horizons. And that is very, very pretty too. Very light, very summery. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And then if you're doing sock knitting, this is called the Golden Hour Socks. And you could get a pair of socks out of one of these. How pretty would that be? So, so pretty. Or if you're crocheting, they've got, it's called Faded Evening Sock. It's a little shorty sock. That's cool. I wonder how much that takes. Let's see if I can get the PDF to open up so we can look at, oh yeah, okay, it did. So it takes, it says 1 skein, but I just about bet it's not going to take the whole thing. 1 skein needed for all sizes. Yeah, because some of it only takes 250 yards. Yeah, whoops, that doesn't show you anything. I can't see that taking a whole skein of one of these. That might be, if you made something else and had some left over, this might be a good thing to do with that. Let's see if I can look at some of these other. I'm really interested in this. I want to see what this shawl looks like. Because sometimes they give you, sometimes they, not now, not now. Yeah, okay, so here's another view of that. Pretty shawl. It's very open, very, very summery. And it takes 2 skeins of this. So you could definitely make more than one, or, which is probably what I'll do, is find another project that takes more yarn. I do like this. Don't get me wrong, I do like that. But I think I would like to use up more of that yarn in a project. And this is so, so pretty. I just don't know if I like the idea. What do you guys think? Do you like the idea of that cowlet? I'm sure it's going to be, yeah, it doesn't show you, but I'm sure it's going to be like the back will have something about like this, and then the design is all down in the front. So what do you think? Do you like that cowlet design, or do you like the idea of a shawl better? Because I know there's some shawl patterns out there that this, my table is not real steady, and every time I touch it, it moves. I know there's some patterns out there that this much yarn would make a gorgeous shawl. And this, you guys, this yarn is fabulous, absolutely fabulous. So the bad thing is, I think I'm getting close to the end of my subscription, because I did a 6-month subscription, and this is what? This is August. I don't remember when I signed up for it, but I know I probably have 1, possibly 2 more. And then we have to decide if we're going to resubscribe. That's going to be a hard decision, because I absolutely love, love, love their yarn. I love their yarn. We'll have to see. Do you guys love this? Do you love this color? I'm so happy with this color. So, so happy. The options were this kind of reddish, which I bet was beautiful, because last month they had that brick, and I liked the color. I think I got cucumber, but the brick, I loved that brick color. So that would have been nice. And then this one is sort of a very, very pale lavender. That's the color I got. And then a really, probably something with a touch of white with just a touch of pink to it. Yeah, because all sunsetty type colors. And the other advantage to getting their stuff is they always give you a double down code. So as a member, you can buy, if you want more, you can buy it at 25% off. And then they give you another code to where you can get it at 50% off for a few days when these first come out. So if you get, you know, like, let's say you only got the 1 skein and you saw this and you're like, oh, I need to make a sweater from this. Oh, what a glorious sweater wouldn't this make? Oh, I wonder how many yards for each. This is 1,600 yards. That was not enough for me for a sweater. I'm going to have to look around. I might have to buy 1 or 2 more. So, so pretty. Okay, so that's this month's Knit Crate. Still, I'm not getting the beautiful boxes. Other people have. And I thought maybe it's because I was getting the force gains. And nope, I've seen people get them with the force gains in the box. So I don't know what the situation is there. Somebody told me they're trying to be more environmentally responsible. And I buy that, except that I've seen other people get it. So, doesn't matter. It's just a box, right? It is just a box. Okay, so that's it for now. That's our August knit crate. Beautiful, beautiful. I have never, ever been disappointed in the yarn that I get from Knit Crates. So it's going to be a hard decision. Oh, the extra. There should be an extra in here. There's always an extra, and I forgot. Oh! Here's my extra. A bright, and I mean bright yellow. It's a sunshine. It's a, oh, what do they call these? It's a string bag. A string bag. So it's a nice little project bag. It is made out of that. It's not quite as lightweight as, well, maybe it is, like the parachute fabric. I don't know what to call this fabric, but it's, you know, it's that fabric that's probably waterproof, if not waterproof, water resistant, and it's a nice big bag. So we got another bag. You know, I'm all about the bags. Love, love, love the bags. So I'm going to put my pretty yarn in here so it doesn't get messed up while we're out here. Oh yeah, that all fits in there real nice. That's a nice size project bag. Perfect. Perfect. Thank you, Knit Crate. Can't wait to see what we get next time. We'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.